Today, I am making this video to create awareness because the recent fire in the East London was horrible. I believe most of you on LinkedIn, at least, whoever is related to the construction field, have seen the fire video. This was really horrible. How can we avoid such fire propagation? The simple method is to remove combustible facade from your buildings. If you check the news, they were about to remove combustible facade because the building was having scaffolding. That means the removal process of combustible facade was in progress, but they are little late. Today, I am going to tell you a couple of ways so that even a layman, if you are not even having a technical knowledge, you can still find out facade on your building is combustible or it is safe facade. So the best way to find out your facade is combustible is to remove from any part of the building and check the core color. If it is dark gray or black color, it is 100% combustible and flammable facade. That product must be removed. The second method to find out the product is combustible is to remove the panel and take 1 meter by 1 meter sample. That means 1 square meter sample. Check the weight of the panel. If the weight of the panel is below 7 kilogram per square meter, means the product is combustible, because anything which is having mineral filled core will be weighing more than 7.5 kilogram, especially when we talk about Euro Class A1, Euro Class A2 materials. They are all 8 kilogram per square meter minimum. So these are some non-scientific methods by which you can find out the building facade on your building is combustible or not. If it is combustible, remove immediately. It should be a combined effort with your facility management, with your owner association, with the owner of the building. Because if you are a tenant or if you are a building owner or the apartment owner, it is a responsibility for everyone. If you would like to protect yourself from the fire damage, please, this is very, very important that combustible facade from the buildings all over the world must be removed. Today, the aluminum composite material is available with Euro Class A1 core, which is incombustible. It is classified as Euro Class A1. Also, the product and the entire system has been tested in accordance to NFPA 285, which is large-scale facade fire propagation test. I will be creating more videos so that you can learn more scientific and non-scientific ways to find out whether the building facade on your building is combustible or it is safe facade. So stay tuned. We will be back with more information sooner. Thank you.